was taking some trucks to the docks. But then there's trouble. "What has happened to me?" asked Henry. "Well," called the driver, "you have no coal. I think you've forgotten to fill it up." "Oh no. Well, you better send for another engine at once." "Henry, what's the problem?" Emily asked. "You don't stop on the tracks. Other engines can be coming behind." Henry explained what happened. Okay then," she said. "I'm going to biff her up to the back." Emily started to push, but she wasn't off to a good start. After pushing and pushing, she finally started to push the tree. She started to build up, and she got faster and faster as she started to chaff. But Gordon's hill was really hard to climb. It took a lot of effort. And down the hill they came. Now they were moving pretty quickly. And Emily was going pretty fast at this point. "Stop, Emily! Stop! I mean, there's a signal up ahead." And there was the signal. Percy was waiting. "Slow down, Emily!" "I can't!" she cried. "These trucks are extremely heavy. And plus you I'm pushing. This really adds to the amount of heaviness. I'm trying to brake." And when she did, the coupling snapped. "Oh no!" she cried. "Oh my goodness! What was that?" "Emily, is that your train?" "Yes!" But there's one part of the track that the engines weren't allowed to go on, because it had this big bump, you see. "Emily!" Henry tried to stop the cars and make it easier for Emily, but it was too late. Henry hit the bump. And he destroyed the shed. But some cars were coupled, and they hit another shed, destroying it as well. Emily was racing. She saw the bump just in time to stop. Phew! But she looked at the ruin of 2 sheds. Emily and James were called in to fix the mess. And James, as you guessed, wasn't pretty happy. Henry was taken to the steamworks, to see if there was anything wrong with them. James helped and cleared up, but they did not rebuild the sheds, instead putting some of the material aside. Although James had helped, he was quite angry that he had to do all this work. His paintwork didn't shine, and he couldn't go and wash it because it was getting dark and they needed to go and sleep. Emily and Gordon, I need you to pull Henry's train. But sir, why have you called two of us instead of one of us? Because this is a very long train, Emily. It would need two people. Emily will pull one half and Gordon will pull the other one. Well, what are you waiting for? Go! But there's a difference now. Emily and Gordon were pulling both trains at night. Gordon could see some things with his lamp, but they looked so different, and the same went for Emily. Then both lamps went out, and they could not see. They both went a while until they realized that they were both on different tracks. Gordon had stopped. His driver exited and checked his lamp, and the same went for Emily. After a while, Emily's driver was able to get the lamp working, and Emily could see, but she realized that Gordon was nowhere to be found. Oh my! Everything still looks different when I put on my lamp. And the routes look a little bit different too. Although we went different routes, but still, I think that's this way to the docks. Gordon could not see, but just like Emily, things looked quite different. And he started to assume where the docks were too. But really and truly, he was going on a shortcut, and he was getting in front of Emily. Then Emily's light went out again, and then they could not see anything, but they were going quite fast. Oh no! Cried Emily, but they could not see anything ahead. There was Gordon. His light went out again as well, and he stopped. Then, at the last moment, Emily's light turned on, and then she realized that there was something in front of her. Indignity! Gordon cried. What was that? His driver got up to the lamp to see what it was. It wasn't until daytime when Percy was chuffing along the tracks, and he saw something. Oh dear, Percy asked. What has happened here? Emily explained the entire story. Don't worry, said Percy. I'll get help. This time, Percy and Henry came back to help. Percy put the train back in order. With the help of Henry, the train was ready. Henry puffed to run the ducks.